All right, so on this video, we are going to be looking into what Google Doc for scripting or documentation, right? And we are going to be exploring that with our mobile phone and also our laptop. But then I believe mobile phone will be easier because most persons will use mobile phone, right? If you can use mobile phone, using desktop or laptop will be easier as well to be very friendly, right? So now let's go to our screen. Uh, Here, what we'll need to do is what we'll go to uh, on your home page. You can click on this icon. Before you can access Google account, you need to have an account with Google. So you need to have a Gmail account, right? So you need to have a Gmail account. It's that Gmail account that will give you access to Google Apps, right? So now you can, once you log in on this home page, you can click on this icon. For those using laptop, then you scroll down, you will see something like Google Doc. Can you see these docs? You click on it, right? And if you're using a mobile phone, if you're using a mobile phone, you can equally go to Play Store and download Google Doc app. So once you are on Play Store, you just type Google Doc. If you type Google Doc, you are going to see it. Can you see I already have it on my device and it's showing here to update. So, all right, I think it's taking time to display. All right, so this is the Google Doc here. This one. This I don't know if it's taking time to display there, but on my end here is actually working perfectly. This needs to. Okay, so this is a Google Doc. It comes like a follow come this thing as well. This is it. This is how it appears. It's Google Doc. Yeah, this is how it appears. So now I've been able to download it. If I click on it now, it will open up and it will take me to my Google Doc. You can see I have different documents here. I have different documents here, and you can see for somebody who maybe this is your first time, this is going to be as empty as possible. So if I change this now to this, you can see this is empty. Okay, showing one document here, right? For somebody, if this is your first time, everything here is going to be empty. It's going to be empty. So you to get started, you just click on this plus sign, then you'll be able to create a document. So you can either choose a template that is already there or you use a document. I advise use new document. So by the time you click on new document, it's going to appear blank. It's going to appear blank. That's for those of you using mobile device, right? It's going to appear blank. And on this page, you can paste whatever it is you want to do, right? You can first start with what? Drafting the course outline, right? Maybe title of the course. So if what I want to teach is maybe beginner's guide to cryptocurrency, right? If this is it, you can see I've typed it here, right? I will I can decide to highlight it and arrange it, right? And arrange it to the center. So I'll just highlight it. Below it, you can see this icon here. If you click on this icon, you can click either to centralize or to the left or to the right. So I'm going to centralize it by clicking on this icon. So if I click, can you see it has shifted to the center, right? I can also do some other editing like here. If I click here, I should be able to increase the size of the text or change the font of the text. So here, the font here is going to be the look of the font. If I click on it now, you're going to see that there are different fonts here. I can decide to use any one that suits what I want to do. Maybe I can use comics. Can you see Comic Sans? I can increase the text here by clicking here. Then I can make it maybe 24 or increase it uh, or reduce it, right? I can also bold it. I can click on bold and it will add, can you see it's bold? And I can either make it italics or remove it, underline it or remove it. So this is the icon for underline, italics, bold. Here, if you click on this one, you see it's crossed. Maybe you want to do something, you want to cross or cancel, that's what you can do, right? Or I want to add some other thing, you can explore them. Then if I want to add color to the text, I can just click on this text color and add it. If I click on text color, I can add any color I want. Can you see? I can add any color I want, right? Then still on that place, I can go back, click on that this thing option that has some lines on it. I can highlight the entire text. To highlight, if I click on highlight, you see that something has happened to the right top, right? That's what the highlight does. If I want to remove it, I can click on this none, then it will be removed, right? So this is text formatting. There are different options here. You can explore them and see to how you can navigate, because at the end of this video, we can equally convert this to our ebook, right? So we may not necessarily do a new video on ebook. What we are doing here can guide us to getting our ebook in place. You can increase it to any size you want, and you can leave it or anyhow you want it done. Then anything you do you are not sure of, you can undo it. If I click undo now, it will go back to, can you see this undo? Then this one here is redo. You are taking it back to the last point with which you edited it. Then if you want to add anything, you can click on this icon to add. Maybe you want to add a link, you want to add an image, you want to add a table, you want to add markups, anything. For link, maybe you want to add your website link or a referral link or maybe a WhatsApp link or anything that will direct people from this document after you must have maybe converted it to your PDF where you consider it as an ebook. You can redirect people from the ebook to another place. But we are trying to first see to how we can create a document that can guide the entire course process. Right now we have the title. The next thing is supposed to be what? Course outline. So I will just put course outline here and maybe underline it, highlight it, underline it, bold it, then underline it, right? Then now I can come to bulleting. I'll remove it from underline, deactivate the underline, deactivate the bold so that this one will not be bold. Then I can click on this bullet icon here. If I click on this bullet icon, you can see there is number, numbering, there is this other bullet format here, right? You can see this one can help you to tick. Can you see? That's why this is this. Or you can just uh, change it to this numbering or numbering by numeric figure. So I can click on this. What I will write is, the first thing I want to do is overview, course overview, right? Course overview. This is the first video I will do. The second thing is going to be an introduction or introduction to cryptocurrency, right? Then the next thing, I'll keep doing it this way until I have a perfect outcome. So let me just, in order not to keep us waiting, let me just do that, then we'll proceed from there. All right, you can see this is what I've achieved, right? This is a course outline, course overview, introduction to cryptocurrency, why cryptocurrency, requirement to get started, crypto. Can you see? So I have about 21 outlines here. This is to guide somebody or who is just coming to crypto for the first time, right? It needs to guide them to understanding how this works, right? You can use your Google Doc to structure your course outline like this so that you know what to do next. And before you do this, you already know what and what all of these are all about. So all you need to do is what you are trying to structure your course outline in a way that will guide you effectively. And if you need to write about them, do research, you can do research and drop some writings under them, right? You can do research, put your writings, put them down, write as much as you can. You can take your time to plan everything. You can do it written before you convert it to a video, if it is possible, since you know what you want to write. The most important thing is the outline that will guide you on your video creation. Then do some research. What's this course all about? This one is normal. Then introduction to cryptocurrency. You can try to figure out one or two about crypto so that it can guide you better. Now let's look at the PowerPoint presentation here, which we are going to learn how to do it, right? You can see this introduction to cryptocurrency. I can equally use this, add this write-up to it. This write-up that is here, I can equally add it there. I can convert everything here to what? A document. I can have this, put this there, that will cause some interest, spark some interest, discuss about Web3 there, right? This is still part of the introduction. Then the next phase there is what? Why cryptocurrency? Can you see what do we have here? What we have on our video here? Let's go back to, okay, I think I'm not sharing the screen, right? Apologies. Okay, so this is it. Can you see? Here we started with an introduction. This is still part of the introduction. We can copy everything here and convert it into what we have on the document, so that the document there can give us a PDF of this course later, right? So by doing so, you will not have difficulties with what you are to teach or what you are to talk about, because you have everything documented. Every step that you need to follow, you need to document it so that it will guide you better. Then when it comes to doing practicals, you also include the practicals along the line. You do them practically, just like I am doing right now. Now our let's go back to our Google Doc here and see what we have here, right? Let's see what we have here. There's a particular course, uh, AI productivity for business owners, how to, okay, operation make 1K online. Now, if I click on this now, this is a document that was prepared and converted to a PDF, right? The title is what? Operation Make 1K Online. These are for members of Ski Money. So it was done, the video was recorded, and also have the PDF for anybody that have access. Anybody that has access to the video, what's called the PDF would definitely, or the ebook would definitely have access to the videos as well, because they are embedded, right? Now, what do we mean by embedded? We have to add link. When we're discussing about the interface using that mobile phone app option, you could see where there was link, right? We'll see to that using this. This is a desktop version or laptop version for people that may be using laptop. There's so much here to leverage on. You can zoom, you can undo, redo, you can print, you can edit. There's edit here. You can edit a document, you can duplicate. There's so much here to be done, right? You can insert, you can, on this edit, you can see there's a lot to do here. On format, you can format your text, you can format them. There's so much here. If you don't know how to use document, Microsoft Document, this is going to be very complex for you. I would advise maybe you go with the mobile version, because it has little features, right? Now, if I come down here, you can see I added an image. Then down here, you can see objective of the course, right? Selfish objective to make 1K. Selfless objective to help business owners grow their business online using AI tools. Because the course is towards a goal, right? This is the plan. This is what to plan. Create content, tutorial content, promote, generate guides to get started. This is more like a practical guide, right? Create videos, tutorials. We are using AI Productivity as a case study. You can use same pattern of any course. You can see introduction, how to come up with course pattern. You create your offers, and these are some offers we wrote. Strategies on Monday. This is what we to do on Monday. Join a minimum of 10 new Facebook groups for business owners, education skills, general groups, promote your offers, design copies, and so on. Then on Tuesday, you can see everything was carefully written and crafted to help us achieve our goal. You can see this was what we did. On that Monday, they were to copy and paste. On Monday, this is the video they are to watch that day, or to get the design, promote, get people to join, and we did this, and we were able to achieve what we wanted. The people that took these practicals made money out of it. They made money out of it, and at the end of the day, we were happy that we were able to achieve. So now, this is a document that can be converted. This is a 23-page document that can even be converted and sold out, but it's just a free course on Ski Money platform, right? The course is combination of videos and what? Video and ebook. So this very one now is document. that was prepared using Google Doc. And you can see it here. I can decide to download it. To download it, I can click on this, not there. I'll come to this file here, click on download. Then I'll download it either as PDF. I can download it as PDF or Microsoft Word that is editable, or plain text or web page, right? And I can also do the same on my uh, mobile phone. I can also download this. If I am done with it, I can download this. To download, what do I do? I will first click on this option, or come to this place, click on this option. I'll click on this option. You can see there is share here. Can you see this is share or export? I can share or export. To export, I'll just click on either print or save as. If I'm clicking on save as, if I click on save as, I can save it as PDF so that I can give it out as what? Ebook, right? We are going to explore a section now to do that. And after you must have written your ebook, we'll definitely do and convert them to PDF and do every other thing. But what we are doing basically on this very aspect is how to come out or use Google Doc to come up with your script or your what's it called, or your outlines, right? So that it will ease the whole process of setting up and also what? Creating your account, right? So that's that about script and doc using Google Doc. The next video is going to be slides, which is going to be a guide on how to use Canva to prepare slides, Google slide, just like you can see this very slide here, right? That's the next thing we'll be discussing. Ensure you don't just watch, but put to practice whatever it is you are learning.